Hi everyone, welcome to the Wild Gallery Show. In this video, you can see some behaviors of birds called Indian rollers. This beautiful bird is found at the Wasgamuwa National Park in Sri Lanka. Indian roller is a common breeding resident in dry lowlands up to lower hills in Sri Lanka, usually as solitary birds or in pairs. The Indian roller, Coracias benghalensis, is a bird of the family Coracidae. Two subspecies are recognized. The Indian roller occurs widely from West Asia to the Indian subcontinent. The species is best known for the aerobatic displays of males during the breeding season. Adult males and females form pair bonds and raise the young together. The female lays 3 to 5 eggs in a cavity or crevice, which is lined with a thin mat of straw or feathers. The roller is the state bird of 3 Indian states. It is listed as a species of least concern on the IUCN Red List. Now you can enjoy the behaviors of this beautiful bird. If you like this video, click on the like button and share it. To see these types of animal world moments, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon. I wish you all have a good day, till I come back with another amazing sight of the animal kingdom.